Hi, I'm Ryan Herbst, Chief Strategist with Unified Communications. I'm here at booth 3817, day one of InfoComm. Excited to give you guys a little tour of some of what we're up to. So starting, this is our AI innovation and agents, and we're showing some of our custom Microsoft designed Copilot agents that we've put together. One of them is the company Pulse agent, and it goes out, pops up in Teams, and helps interview key leadership and other employees just verbally around what took place in their day. It then summarizes that information, confirms it, organizes it, and shares it with leadership. We also have what we call the customer advocate agent that will look at email and email temperature, and if something looks like it is starting to heat up, they'll let somebody know that, not sure if you're clear, but this is starting to heat up and it can escalate it. We also have a Teams Room support agent that's grounded in all of the Microsoft Teams Room manufacturer support information, as well as Microsoft Learn and our help desk system, expert, super smart system to help support something like Teams Rooms.